Hi guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about this really cute boys plaid shirt and pants set by Carter's. So I actually purchased this for my friend's son. He's just turning 1 year old, but he's already in like 18 months clothes, and I wanted to get him something, like I'm sure he has so many 18 month clothes, so I wanted to get him something that would be a little bit bigger that he could wear a little bit later. I thought this outfit was really cute for little boys. I love the little plaid suit. It's like so classy looking and adorable for 24-month-olds. I love Carter's because they're really good quality clothing and they last a while and they make really cute stuff for boys and girls. So this is Carter's 24 months made in Bangladesh. It's a recyclable tag right there. So the plaid is an orange, blue, and white plaid button down top with a collar. Really, really cute. Comes with a little 24 months hanger there so you can see the size. So this is 24 months, 32/34 inches for a 28 to 30 pound child. Comes in 2 pieces. The website is carters.com. Date of birth is 10/2018. It has the Carter sign on the back, and then I guess this is the little Carter's logo. It's a little black lab or a black dog. And then I'm gonna open the shirt so I can see the care instructions. So it's 100% cotton, exclusive of decoration and exclusive of trimming. Product instructions: wash before use, turn garment inside out, machine wash cold with light colors, use only non-chlorine bleach when needed, tumble dry medium, and warm iron if needed. Do not iron the decoration. Let's see what it says here on the back. So just in another language, 2-piece set. So the feel of this is very light and very, very soft, extremely soft cotton, but yes, very light. Very soft, definitely comfortable for a child. The sleeves are rolled up so you could roll them down if you choose to. How cute are the colors in this outfit? I love it. I love little outfits for little kids. They make such cute stuff. And then these are elastic pants they have right here. And let's see the care instructions for these. Okay, so the pants, 100% cotton, RN number 35623, CA number 53061, wash before use, turn garment inside out, machine wash cold with light colors, use only non-chlorine bleach when needed, tumble dry medium, warm iron if needed, and do not iron the decoration. Let's see what it says on the back here. Yes, another language. And the elastic is cool too because, you know, it just makes it a little bit easier to wear. And how cute are the little pockets on the side? Oh wait, just kidding. They're not real pockets. They're just decorative pockets. But how cute are the decorative pockets on the sides? It's adorable. Nice and long, plenty of room, super comfy. These are nice and soft. Inside's the same material as the outside. Same as in this shirt, nice and light, very, very soft, very comfortable for a kid. I'll flip it over so you guys can see the back. It's the back of the pants. And the shirt, I think this is adorable. This is so cute to wear. It just reminds me of like an outfit you would wear like pumpkin picking or something. So hopefully by next fall he'll definitely be grown into this. So cute. I love it. I love picking out little kids' clothes. They make the cutest stuff, and I love Carter's too. And then don't be like me. Like, make sure you don't forget to rip off the price tag if you're giving it as a gift to someone, or else that's tacky. But I've definitely forgotten to do this multiple times. So price tag's at the bottom. Just be sure to rip it off. And I could see the date of birth on here was 10/2018, so it must be new. This product must be new, the Carter's. And I love their little 2-piece sets. I mean, they're inexpensive and they're great quality and they last a while. They're super comfy. So guys, this is a Carter's 2-piece pant and button-down plaid shirt set for boys in 24 months. I'm sure they have other sizes as well. They definitely do, actually, because I saw the other sizes. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a great day.